Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss a new topic, combinations. Permutation has been completed. Permutation is the arrangement, but combination is the selection. First of all, we select the thing, then we arrange things. Suppose you have 5 digits, otherwise you can say 5 letters, or you want to make the words 3 letters, one word. This is called as the combinations, selections. Suppose you have A, B, C, D and E. You have the 5 letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you have make the three letters. You have required A, B, C, A, C, D. This you are making the letters 3. You are making the word 3 letters. This is called this. Means you have the number of the combination of n distinct object. Total different object. N is called the total different object. Means how many letters, how many digits you have. You have the 10 digit, 10 letters, anything. Then taken are at a time. How many digits are you taking? How many letters are you taking? Making a word, any numbers. Suppose you have the digit, then you make the number. Suppose you have the letters, then you making the words. So suppose you have the A, B, C, D, E, 5 letters, or you are making the 3 letters, one word. Then A, B, C. You are selecting. This is not problem. You are selecting A, B, C, B, C, D. Any three letters you are making. So in this way you will be select the letters. Suppose you have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you are making 3 digit letter numbers. So suppose you are making 3 digit numbers 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1. So you can making the 451, 231. In this way you making the 3 digit numbers. So this process is called the combinations. So here suppose you are selecting the number according this way, so you will consume the many times, you will consume that more times. Then you have some shortcut tricks for you. First tricks are NC1. Suppose you are using total and distinct object, or you are making only one way, one letter one times, one digit one times, the identity are NC1 equal to N. Second things, NCN. All suppose you have the 5 letters, otherwise 5 digits, or 5 digits taking the one times, 5 letters you taking the one time, then identity will shortcut tricks. The NCN means n object different time, or R is also is n. In R place is R place here n. Total n object, total n taking one times. So this is the value of the only one. Suppose you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Or you are making the number 5 digit number, then you are making the only one numbers. NC2, suppose n object you are taking 2 digit number, then you are making the identity here n minus 1 upon 2, according this way. Suppose NC3 and different objects and different digits, or you are making 3 digit numbers, then you will using the identities. So how many numbers you will follow? This number will follow n minus 1. For example, suppose you have the digit here 5, total digit 5, and R place are you using the 3. Meaning total different digits are 5, or 3 digits are you taking one times. So then you will be using the identity this. Then total numbers. Total here 5 minus into 4 are into 5 minus 2 3 upon 6. 3 to just 6 or 2 to just 4, then 10. Then you will make the 10 numbers. 5 different digits, you are making 3 digit numbers, then total numbers will be you make here 10 numbers. Total number you will form the 10. Because n place you will put the 5 and n place you are putting the 5. According this way you will solve the questions. NC code same thing, then using this identity. NCR, the NCR means NC n minus R. The both things same here. Suppose you are using this NCR, the same identity you can use NC n minus R. This answer will not change. NCR, or this is a very important answer. When your data is a very long data, so suppose you are 105 C2. So how to solve this question? Yeah, suppose you are write the 25. How to solve this? You will write here 105 upon 175. So you can write here 75. Then your question will make the very easy. 105, yeah, 105 minus 105 minus 25. Then you will get the correct answer. Second, NCR or NC n minus R, the value of a totaling this number, the n plus 1 CR is a 8 number identity. Or NCR, suppose you are equating the numbers NCX equal to NCY. Here both the number, your total distinct object here same, but you are selecting number the different here, then the XY different, then you can write this X plus Y equal to N, otherwise you can say X equal to Y. Next, NPR or NCR, what relation with this is a very important relation, this and this relation. Okay, what is the relation of permutation and combination? What is the relation between permutation and combination? The NPR equal to NCR into factorial R. This is the into factorial R. This is the into factorial R. Factorial R. The NPR equal to NCR into factorial R. So this is this general identity of the NCR combination. What is the general identity? NCR equal to factorial n upon n minus R. Factorial and factorial R. What value of the R here? R always greater than 0 or less than will be n. This n. The R always same thing permutations. Permutation also here greater permutation is greater, R will be greater than the 0 or less than will be n. Same thing. This is the general identity of the combinations, and this is the shortcut tricks of the combination. This is the shortcut tricks of the these are the helpful for when you calculating the combination problems. These are very helpful to calculation to very they are making the easy to calculations, these shortcut identities. But this is the general identity of the combinations, or meaning of this general identity. What the meaning of this general identity? When and distinct object you are selecting, you are taking are different object one times. Means suppose you have 10 digits, or you are taking 3 digit, you are taking 4 digit one time. The R is selecting, so how many digits you are taking one time to make a number. Suppose you are taking 4 digit number, then R selecting the 4. Total digit represent is n. So how to represent this? Factorial n upon n minus R factorial and factorial R. And this is the shortcut tricks of the 4 calculations. Yes, you note down, then start the exercise. Yes, students, now understand the questions. First, NC8 equal to NC2, then find the value of the NC2. Here you read the question very carefully. Here not value here given n. N is not given here. Not the n is first you will check what is the value of the n. First you will check what value of the. Suppose you are finding the value of NC2. So first you will find the value of n. Then you can find the value of NC2. Now NC8 equal NC2. Identity number 9. What identity number 9 है कि NCX equal to NCY. It means कि x plus y equal to n. According this identity, you will be solve this question first. कि x plus y, x place here 8 and y place here 2, because x plus place here 8 and y place here 2 and n place here the only n. So then you can write here x plus y equal to n. Means 8 plus 2 equal to n, it means n equal to 10. Means you have got the value of the n. You have got the value of the n. Then you can easily find out this value of the now. NC2, you can write here 10C2, value of the n here 10. Value of the n equal n place you write the 10, the 10C2, or you then you have one more entity here, the NC2. What value of this NC2? n minus 1 by 2. These are the shortcut tricks. This and this both having these shortcut tricks. Both having these shortcut tricks. We are using your shortcut tricks NCX equal to NCY. Then you can write x plus y equal to n. This is shortcut tricks are same. What value of the NC2? n minus 1 by 2. So then using this 10 and 10 minus 1 upon 2. So then 10 into 9 by 2. And this cancel 5 times 9 5 is 45. Very simple thing. The value of the NC2 is here 45. So this is your answer. So you have learned these shortcut tricks, then your calculation, your question will be very easy to solve. Otherwise, you will directly solve this, then calculation, that question will be going the very long. So then first you read the question very carefully. What things given, what you find. First of all, n is not given. Then you first find the n, and you find with the help of this shortcut tricks. This x plus y, the x plus here 8, y plus here 2. The 8 plus 2 equal to 10. You have got the value of the n. Then you find the value of NC2. NC2 equal to n plus you write the 10, 10C2. Or second shortcut tricks here, NC2 equal to n minus 1 by 2. So then using this and calculate and find the value of this. Yes, note down it. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 2nd. Determine n if first part here and second part here. If we will solve both part here. Yes, now do the first part. 2NC3 ratio NC2 equal 12:11. This question given in the ratio form. 2NC3 ratio NC2 equal 12:11. 12:1, not 11, 1. Same identity here, and what value of the NC2? NC2 means n minus 1 upon 2. Or NC3 means n minus 1 and n minus 2 upon 6. These are the shortcut tricks of the both NC2 or NC3. According this identity, you will solve the first NC3, the 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 2 upon 6 ratio. You will write here ratio n minus 1 upon 2. Here write NC2, identity of NC2 here n minus 1 by 2. This here NC3, the identity of shortcut tricks of NC3 here n minus 1 n minus 2 by 6. Here write equal 12:1. After that you will convert in this question in, suppose you write this any question number, you write the x ratio y, that means x upon y. So this ratio form you can convert in this form. Here ratio you write in the division form. But now 2n and 2n minus 1. This 2 you taking 2 common here, so n minus 1 upon 6, and reciprocal form 2 upon n minus 1 equal 12 upon 1. Because this is a fraction form, then you write in the reciprocal form. This is a fraction form, so then numerator will be go denominator and denominator will be moved into numerator. Then this will be cancelled here. n will be cancelled here, and minus 1 will cancel here. What is left? 2 to the 4 and 2n minus 1, and this 2 will cancel here 3 times. This is your left 3 equal to your left 12 upon 1. This portion 2, 3 is 6, n here cancel, and n minus 1, n minus 1 also cancel here. Here left 12 upon 1, or here left 2 to the 4 and 2n minus 1. Then cross multiply 4 3 is 12. Then you are left at 2n minus 1 equal to 3 3 is 9. This will be moving cross multiplication. 4 3 is 12. Then this will be cancellation here. 2n minus 1 at 3 3 is 9. So this is 9. Minus 1 transposing the right side here. The 2n minus equal to n plus 1. The 2n equal to 10. The n equal to 5. The value of the n here in first part here and value is 5. This is your answer. Because you have determined the value of n, according to this you will solve this question. Similarly, we will solve the part second. Similarly, you will use the shortcut trick and NC3, NC3, both part having been using this part NC3, NC3, and then find the value of n. So first of all, you will be learn these shortcut tricks. Then you will make the calculation very easy, and question where you will get the correct answer of the problems. Yes, note down, then solve next part. Yes, student, next I will solve here second part here. Solution of second part. 2nC3 ratio nC3 equal 11:1. First you will read the question very carefully. This is the 2n, this is the n, are here n and here value are the same, r value are the same 3 3. This value are the same 3 3, but 2n and n here. And just now starting same identity here, nC3 n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 6. Using this shortcut identity in both, and then you calculate this. First of all, 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 2 upon 6, and n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 6 equal to 11:1. This is the ratio form here. This is the first part, this is the second part, this is the RHS. After that, you will be convert this in reciprocal form. This is a ratio convert in the reciprocal form, and this ratio convert in the fraction form. And now 2n minus 1, taking 2 common here, 2 and n minus 1 upon 6. Then when you convert this will be converted the ratio converted the multiplication. So 6 upon n minus 1 and n minus 2 upon 11 upon 1. So this is also already converted here. The ratio converted in the multiplication form, reciprocal of this. The 6 will be cancelled here, n will be cancelled here, and n minus 1 and n minus 1 also cancelled here. What is the left? This 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1, and what is left here? N minus 2 equal to 11 upon 1. Here left 2 into 2 4 at 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 here left, and here only n minus 2 is left. Then do cross multiplication, this multiplication here, this multiplication here. 4, 2n minus 1, and you will multiply here 11 n minus 2. 11 n minus 2, then multiply here 11 n minus 22. 4 to the 8 n minus 4. Same material inside here, 4 to the 8 and 4 1 the 4. 11 into n, 11 and 11 to the 22. So this 11n will move this side and this 20 move in this side. So minus 4 plus 22 are 11n minus 8n. Because this is the greater value, the moving here, then converting the positive, or this is the smaller value, then converting the negative. So then 22 minus 18 are here 8, 3, 11. So 3n. 11 minus 8, 3, and 22 minus 4 is 80. So what value you are getting here? N equal to 18 upon 3, this is equal to 6, 6 is 18, N equal to 6. This is your answer. This is your answer. But you will check these questions. Your answer N is come always the less than the R. Now check here. First we will convert this NC3. This is your This is your shortcut trick, shortcut identity of this NC3. So NC3 here you check here. The value of the N 6 to Z 12. The means as R is less than of the 6. R value of the N here 6 and R here 3. So your answer is correct. Means value of the N more than of the R. Value of the N more than of the R. Yes, now look here. First of all, you will be using this shortcut identity. First part, same in the second part. After that, you will be reciprocal of the second part, not change the first part. First part will be remain same. You will be reciprocal of this second part here, and then you make the like form. Here you taking the always two common, then this and this portion you are like, then cancel, and will be cancel. This 6 and 6 will be cancelled. What is the left here you write here, and then what is left here you. Then cross multiplications, then you will get the value of the N. According this you will solve the questions. Yes, note down. Then next question. Yes, student, next question is the word problem of this exercise. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? This is a combination word problem of this in this type. Given points here 21s, and how many chords you can draw. You know, suppose this is a simple circle. This is your simple circle. You are taking here 21 points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21. 21 points are you taking? Or you will draw the one, how many points required to draw the 1 point, 1 chord? So this is the chord. This is your chord. So how many points required to draw 1 chord? These are 2 points required. 2 points. 2 points is required. 4 1 chord. 4 1 chord. So 2 points is required for 1 chord. When you draw the 1 chord, then it means you have required the 2 points, or you have the 21 points. So how many chords you will draw here? Yes. Start the solution. Total number of points. Total number of points. This is called the N. This is your 21. This is called the N, and total number of points is 21. Second things, how many points required to draw 1 chord? The number of points required 1, 1 chords can be drawn. Two points, and this is called the R. This is called the 1 chord can be drawn, 2 points. Then total means NCR means 21C2, or you have the NC20, so NC2 n minus 1 upon 2 using this shortcut tricks. 21 into 21 minus 1 upon 2. So this is 21 into 20 by 2. So 2 times 20. This is NC2 and 21. So 20 and 19. So this is called here 20 and 9, 20 and 21. This is called the 21 and 20. So this is again 10 times. The 220 into 10. The 210. Total points here. This is called the NC2. According to NC2, n minus 1 upon 2. The n here 21 and n minus 1 is 20. The 10 times cancel here. The 10 is 210. So this is the value of the 21C2. This is your the 210. How many cards we draw? 210 cards. This is your answer.